Hey there, tech troubleshooters! Today, we're diving into a quick fix for a common headache. USB ports are not working in Windows 11. We've got the key tips to get you back up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. Right-click on the Windows Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Move over to Settings. Once in Settings, click on Windows Update. Now, go ahead and click on Check for Updates and make sure to update your Windows to the latest version. If the solution doesn't work, it's time to move on. Follow the next solution. Right-click on the Windows Start button again. Open Device Manager. Expand the adapter section. Right-click on your driver, then choose Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select a driver from the list and click Next. Finally, click Close to complete the process. If the solution doesn't work, it's time to move on. Follow the next solution. Open your Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes to grant administrative privileges. Copy the command msdt.exe ID DeviceDiagnostic from the video description, paste it here, and press Enter. Click Next and wait for the scanning process to complete. Once done, click Close. Now, here's the magic command. In the video description below, you'll find the command sfc/scannow. Copy it, paste it into the command prompt, and hit Enter. Wait for the verification process to reach 100%. Once it's done, close the command prompt. Now, the final step, restart your computer. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.